Okay, so I have received one more parcel. This one is more important right now. One of the products is highlighted on my Instagram, so do follow, check it out. The rest will be coming soon. Okay, so the reason this is exciting is because this is my GoPro mic. एक हाथ से unboxing ना थोड़ा tough है. For the first time, I've got a pouch for a mic, which is so cool. And by the way, this is surprising. Okay. ये चाइना से आया है. Anyways, so I'm gonna remove this clip, mount it on my helmet, and today is definitely a motovlog day. By the way, people who were concerned why didn't I vlog yesterday, blame this guy here, blame this tank of a machine. Made me play video games till late night after my edit. But aisa nahi, I was playing video game all the time. Okay, I was also working on my product review edits, which is gonna be really cool. By the way, new laptop, so I keep cleaning it for sure. Bose ki battery has died. You see that? Imagine a big screen here. Not only for gaming, for edits also looks so dope, right? I don't know if I should sell my MacBook Air or not. I don't want to actually, because it's in perfect condition. अभी तो cover लगाया है, so that's why it's looking like that. It's in a perfect condition, so I don't want to actually sell it. But if it's just gonna lie here, trust me guys, it's been 1 week, I have not touched it. This is how my setup looks. Clean, right? No wires, nothing. What's happening guys? I hope everyone's doing fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. As usual, my day actually starts with motor films, having my chai and everything. But right now it's nearly 4 o'clock in the evening and I have a coffee appointment with my buddy Rohan. I don't know about this battery issue which I'm facing with my remote control, so I went to search this kind of battery and I was not getting this kind of battery anywhere. Any which ways, let's talk about today's vlog. My mic has arrived and yes guys, it is from China. Yes, I mean there is no Indian company manufacturing GoPro mics, which is quite a challenge I'm sure for everyone who's actually motovlogging or using such mics. So the question here is, if any Indian company is watching this, go ahead, make these mics. I will be proud to use Make in India product, but this actually came from China. And surprisingly, my podcast mic, my angle hanger and everything got stuck in the shipment because they were coming from a different company from China. So I actually sacrificed that, thinking it's fine, you know, now there's a logistic issue with Indo-China stuff. But then this mic arrived, I don't know what's happening. Any which ways, so I have exactly 10 minutes to install this and I think Rohan has already messaged me. So Rohan is trying to get coffee. I don't know how we're gonna do it, so we are meeting somewhere at the back road. I think it's better I talk through this. Process is easy, I'm just replacing it. I am audible. If not, I will do a voiceover. Okay, so Yakuza's all set. I have the bag, it's empty. Should come back with beer cans, right? See, the rolling has become much better compared to how it was. 4:30 in my watch. I think I will have to fuel her up today. So the new normal is quite busy. People are on the street in spite of a lot of so the COVID cases are really increasing actually. I just checked, we are on Worldometer number 2. First is America, that's USA. Second it's India. Third comes Brazil and so on. We are quite banking on our recovery rate though. That's the main. And first of all, I can't believe I'm going towards a coffee shop. I just can't believe it. Meeting Rohan and Anurag at Love and Latte. That's where we usually hang out, which is near Malad. I thought ride bhi ho jayega, mic test bhi ho jayega, and I'll speak to you guys about my wheels. Yes. So tomorrow I have an appointment with a person regarding my wheels. Yes. Now there are plenty of messages which I got. Some are like, put fluid bro, don't change from spokes to alloy, and I totally respect that. some good messages where people said that, hey, why don't you actually experiment it? So I like that a lot whenever I hear experiment, because I am actually a tester, you know. So I would test the alloy wheels or the liquid or whatever solution I'm trying to do. I feel tire tubes are not designed to have some substance besides air in it, right? But yes, substitutes are good. Like for example, tomorrow there is a substitute for fuel, like say petrol. It will be helpful, right? I'm talking 25 years ahead. Maybe biofuel will be the next thing. So I really appreciate the innovator and the creator basically of that product. There are plenty of brands, and this is not new, guys. Yes, even decade back, when I used to go to these tire shops, there were these products floating around, but now it's quite famous because, you know, vloggers put them and highlight on their channels. So the solution is really good, that it solves the problem of puncture, which is a pain in the ass for sure. So I respect that the most. Okay, and the longevity of that is not assured, and they are right. Agar tumhara kaam ho raha hai, then why you worry? You know, you spend couple of thousand rupees, do your Ladakh trip or whatever you want to do, come back safely, and then okay, fine, later on you never know how the liquid turns out to be, how the punctures are, or does it destroy the tube. That detail nobody has shared actually. So I met couple of guys who told me that initially they had no issues during the ride, but they did have a problem after like, you know, couple of months. Their tube were completely damaged. Obviously the liquid is inside and it's become quite stiff, but it's worth it. Think about it, you know, it's really worth it. You don't want a puncture during your trip. After that it's not a problem. You can throw the tube and even replace the whole tube. So that is not a problem at all, and I really appreciate that. That's why I'm explaining it this way. Now talking about the nipple covers okay, the spoke nipple covers basically, which you put around the rim. I spoke to one guy who rides a premium motorcycle. Yes, I'm talking 1 liter class. He did put on his motorcycle, and then he told me that his first expedition was perfect, but when he went for his second ride, one of the areas did get a tear, and wasn't a problem because he was very much in the city. So again, you know, it helped him during his main ride. So sorted, that did not give any big issue to that guy, and it helped. Now obviously he's riding an adventure bike, so he would not prefer alloy. So he's like, alloy is the last thing I want to do. Same thing with me. Spokes on this looks the best, feels the best. Decade back we used to really anticipate that when will alloy come in the market. My Tata Sierra, my Mitsubishi Lancer, even my Mahindra 340 had alloy wheels, because I was a sucker for alloy wheels. That time it was a big craze. I'm talking literally a decade back, in fact more. There was a big craze about, you know, alloy wheels. So like, oh wow, you know, disc brakes. When disc brakes were introduced on motorcycle, people like, hey, disc brake hai kya? Alloy wheel hai kya? You know, people were crazy about it. Now it's the opposite, because people have understood that alloys crack open, or you know, they break. That's why I thought that let's see. Now also one thing is that alloys don't suit Interceptor. The current alloys available in the market are quite silver and stuff. Okay, so there is a good solution I have worked on. Tomorrow I have an appointment. Actually the appointment was 2 days back, but I didn't like something in it, so I did some changes, and he liked my idea a lot, and he said, okay fine, give me 2 days, I will fix this. So the whole point of view here is that tomorrow is the final installation. Okay, I think some won't like what I'm doing, some will like, but guys, this is a test. So whatever I'm gonna do on my wheels will be a test. If it fails, it will be captured on the vlog. You know, I've told the brand that, hey, I'm gonna be honest. If something goes wrong, I will be open, and they're like, yes, go ahead and do that. So I'm testing this tomorrow, and I thought I will talk to you guys about it on my motorcycle. Also I'll test the mic, and guys, if audio has not come, I will be kind of disappointed. I know it's a very small thing for you guys, but for me, anything with video and audio, it really sucks. My laptop solution is so well sorted now. My new machine is a rock star. The way it renders in 4 minutes and 5 minutes, it's actually so funny and nice. So I want the same way my audio to be sorted, and I don't think so this audio issue is only with me. These GoPro mics keep breaking. This is my 8th mic, okay, and I keep spending on it like 1500, 1300, and what the hell, I have to ship them from China. That's the main thing, and it takes around 15 days. Also guys, I'm designing a rear rack for this motorcycle. I hope you guys like that. It's quite different. It's not for a top box. It's not those chunky big ones. I have told that brand to work with me. I'm ready to share my design with him. So that's also happening tomorrow. So do watch the upcoming vlogs. They're going to be very interesting. I'm very much excited for all this, especially because the rain's also gone. Now I can roam free wherever I may roam. That's what James Hetfield said, right? Metallica. Let me go. Woo! Finally, some breather, man. मुझे है ना पहाड़ पे पहुंचा दो बस. That's it. Top gear, baby. Arey, the gears have become so smooth. I mean, seriously, guys. So after 7 months, I'm going to Love and Latte. Feels weird. After 7 months, I'm not washing utensils. हाथों में छाले हो गए थे. Like middle of the road. What is this? Damn. This feels so good. Rohan is missing Keema, I am missing Keema, and we checked with Ahura. Guess what, it's open. Usually we always go to Wandri Lake, Ahura. I'm sure you must have seen my past videos. And new subscribers who have joined, please check my past videos because that has a lot of info. I still keep getting, hey bro, when did you do this? When did you do that? You know, someone messaged me, you should write to Gujarat, you should do this. I mean, so please watch my previous vlogs because it's tough to, you know, keep commenting, keep replying all those comments. Also comment down below if the mic is audible. How's the quality? Is it better or is it the same? Woo! Wobble test on 100 kilometers per hour. What's up? So I can't believe we are having a coffee hangout. What's up? What, 7 months? 6 to 7 months. So we are having coffee and music is on and copyright है उससे पहले बंद. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and I'm going to enjoy my coffee, and if you did, you know what to do. Press the thumbs up button, subscribe. See you with a new vlog tomorrow.